In this video, I'm going to show you how to go from 0 to 1K a day with organic dropshipping. And no, you don't need to show your face on, you don't need to film your product. It's completely made with AI. So why can you trust me? I have my own supplement brand and we're making consistently 4K a day. And you can see here, I have my own factory in Germany and here I pack my orders. And now I have a own 3PL, but yeah. And I also helped ecom beginners scale up to the 4K, 5K, 10K days. So watch this video if you really want to start now. So how does the strategy work? The easiest thing to succeed with organic dropshipping is doing slideshows. Why? Because they're so easy to create. So look at this page. This page makes so much money. They're just promoting their Amazon link and it's about bloating. Can see here, and the character is completely made with AI, and this fucking works. This shit converts and is really easy to create. But before we're gonna create them, you need to choose a niche that is crazy good and performs really easy. So what is a good niche? A good niche has a good transformation, okay? Because boring products are hard to market. So please pick a product that is fucking interesting or has a crazy transformation, like losing 10 pounds, clears up my face, like a visual transformation. Okay, then if you want to scale in the future, pick an MRR product, like a consumable. It's the smartest way. Pick it, do a supplement. It's so much easier. So how do I scout competitors? You're gonna go on TikTok, you're gonna go in the search bar, just type in the problem that people have, like for me, bloating, and then press on photos. Then you're gonna see many other people also doing the slideshow method. So this is how I found this creator that is also doing this method, and they're making so much money with this. But if you just look at multiple, you're gonna see they are selling something with AI. And it works. And not just bloating, we're gonna say acne. We're gonna find people with AI, they're promoting an acne product. So I found one. It's a creator. Her name is Lana Dig. And you see, she also doing this method and she's completely AI. And yeah, that's how to find your competitor and just pick a transformational product. So after this, you need to warm up and set up these accounts. So first, at the beginning, you could just post on TikTok, but how do I warm them up? The easiest thing is watch videos, and that's kind of it. Just watch videos for like 3 days, scroll a bit, like 50 minutes a day, and that's it. But if you're like in India, in, I don't know, UK, but you want to target the USA, listen up. So, to target the USA, it's kind of simple. You need to have your phone like a bomb. It sounds crazy, but keep it in your head. Before you go in on TikTok, you need to install a VPN, okay? And the VPN should be in the USA. But if you already have TikTok on your phone, delete it and reinstall this with VPN, because otherwise you cannot target the USA. You could have a SIM card, you could have multiple phones like I do. I have multiple phones for like organic. So making the store, this store is not important. You could have the ugliest store because you just need at the beginning traffic. If you have a lot of traffic, you can make a lot of money. So just fuck the store and just make more slideshows. And afterwards, you're gonna make improvements on the store because you cannot even know what you should change if you don't have data. So fuck the store, make it ugly, make a good offer, and that's it. And just post slideshows. So now I'm gonna show you how to create these type of slideshows that performs crazy. And it's completely easy to make. So even if you're brain rotted, you can do this. So first go on this website. It's called polarisugc.com. It's something like Higgsfield, but 60 times cheaper. And it's e-com specific. Like it has e-commerce tools inside of it and e-commerce skills. So the image turn out better and the videos turn out so much better. So just make an account, press on connect with Claude, because with Claude it's 10 times better. So press here, go inside of Claude, press on the plus, go on connectors, add custom connector, paste in Polaris, paste in the link, and that's it. Then you should be fine. So go just inside Polaris, go here, copy this URL, paste it in here, boom. Just wait a few seconds, download every picture. So the only thing you need to do is paste this image into Claude, say, give me a JSON prompt for this image using Polaris, and I don't want the captions. Hit enter and just wait. Now the JSON prompt is generated. Just copy it, paste it back, say make a image from that. Boom, wait. Now ask me which resolution. We're gonna go 2K and just wait again. Now it generated this image, but I don't like it. So just say to him, make her more bloated and recreate this image. Because we're gonna do the before image. And yeah, after this, I'm gonna show you how to do the after image and how to recreate it in like multiple scenes. And okay, now she's really fat and it's perfect for organic. And if you don't like her looks, like the hair, I don't know, you want to change something, just tell it Claude. And yeah, but I like this, so we're gonna keep this. So now we're gonna look at this after image. It's this. We're gonna do this for this image too, because boom. I'm gonna give this as a reference. Then we're gonna say this also. Give me a JSON prompt for this image using Polaris. Boom. So now just say yes, generate this. Now you're gonna wait. And this is the first method. It's the easier method, but sometimes the character consistency is not good. And after this, I'm gonna show you how to do it the a bit harder method, but the consistency is much better. But you don't need to, bro. On organic, it's like pose as much you can with big volume and have craziest transformations like these ones. Like from being hella fat, like eating just McDonald's, going to like her, and that's like this gonna be a winner. Oh wait, we're gonna wait. So now it's finished. It was being declined, but Polaris just fixed it for me. And you see it looks really good. Like this is gonna be like a good thing for organic. So just replicate these, but now is the method how to do these transformational videos right. Because now she's cloned, but she's not her own persona. And that's why. But if you want to have better character consistency, even though this looks fucking great, okay, this is gonna be like a good organic slideshow. But if you want to have a better consistency, I don't know why, just do this. So the better choice is like begin with the glow up version, because you can like reverse engineer it. So if I have her, you could make her blonde and a bit more Asian. I don't know, just like this, so it's her own persona. So now this was generated and this looks completely crazy. And she's like her own persona now. And what you're gonna do is, if you wanna create like different variations from her, you're gonna download this image and you take her as a reference image and say, make her in another scene that is. So make another scene that is common, just hit enter, and then you could just farm up like different scenarios, like different scenes for your character. And you could do this with like the bloated fat version. If you have an acne product, just do this with acne. If you have a sunglass brand or something, you could do this also. Just say him, recreate this, give him just reference images, recreate this, do this, and it's so fucking easy. And with the captions, like here, it should be like a storytelling, because it should feel like a real persona, and you see how this works. And also this, you don't need to, but if you see this performs crazy, just rip this. So if you see she's blending like a note at the beginning, you're gonna do this too. But like this, losing fat is hard and takes time. Boom, boom, and I think she sells a gua sha, and it's so fucking easy to replicate this. And just spy your competitor and rip this. So now it's rendering, and that's low-key the tutorial. It's completely simple to create like slideshows. You can do this in many variations. You just need to tell Claude to do this. And if you like Polaris, because you watched till the end, you can use the code UGC50 for a 50% discount. And now you're gonna think, bro, she looks in the same direction, it's completely gay. Just tell Claude she should look in the other direction, bro. It's not that deep. But I like her completely more. So I would use this image as a reference image now, and just say, yeah, use this image as a reference, and now create her looking in a different way, a different pose, blah blah blah. You could also add like other images from poses you like and say, yeah, use the pose from the image 3, use the face direction from image 2, and image 1 is like my original picture. So you could fucking rip a lot of guys in one image. So it's so fucking easy, and then you're gonna post it. And now, because you're watching this till the end, I'm gonna give you hella sauce, and I'm gonna keep this uncut, even though my English is not good. Look, the most people, even this guy, makes a big mistake. Like, he doesn't look like this person. His fucking name is Soft Glow, Glow Standard. And that's the biggest mistake. It should feel like a real account, just like a real account showing the transformation, not a person that's selling something. So my method would be, if you have under 1,000 followers, it's even better for you. So you're gonna make like, the name is luna.zzb or something, I don't know. And then you're gonna sell the product in the comments, not in the bio, because the bio seems so sketchy and the people say, oh my god, she's trying to sell me something. But in the comments, it's so much easier, because I'm gonna explain you how I mean this. So, because this is a crazy transformation, so many people will ask, how did you achieve this? Where can I buy this? Blah blah blah. And the only method you need to do is response on these comments with an image from your product and say, yeah, I got this from blah blah blah. I got this from luna.com. And that's the easy method. So it feels completely natural, and the people, if they see a crazy transformation, everybody opens the comments because they're interested how she achieved something like this. And if she tells the complete, like, she's showing the product, so it feels like she really using this, not just saying, yeah, use this, the conversion rate is gonna like triple. Bro, this is the hella sauce. But not gonna lie, I never seen somebody like in the ecom space talk about this, and I A/B tested this and it works completely crazy for me.